is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Technically, it's the first episode. I deleted all the episodes prior because moving forward, it's going to be just me as sole owner of 777. Blake is no longer a part of it, associated with it, anything like that. So I'm not going to go into detail. So moving forward, it's just going to be me. Today, though, we have a unboxing, as you can see behind me. Whichever way it is. Got a bunch of stuff for the office, the desk, all the good setup. So we're going to get that all taken care of. We're going to get it unboxed and get it set up. So I'll bring you guys along for it. Let's go. Cords, instructions, don't need that. Back stand, and it's silver as well. This is heavy. And pretty simple. It is massive. Yeah, and it works. No broken screen, which is nice. That's not too shabby. Next, I have a keyboard. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Pads, little stands on the back. It's got pads as well. Nice little stands that pop it up. Oh, those feel good. Get some ASMR of that. Nice, very nice, very nice. I like the logo. Cords, all that stuff. Go over here. So, next we have some smaller things. This is a mouse. Gotta have a mouse. What a fucking nice. And you probably guess what color it is. It is white. And so this is wireless as well. If you can see it. There you go. It's white as well. Matches the keyboard. The only thing with wireless stuff is you gotta keep it charged. So I got a lot of stuff to keep charged. But it is what it is. I don't like cords. I don't like cords attached to things. It's so annoying. So I get wireless stuff that I have to charge. So you know, it's just, it is what it is. But my back there, and that I got. Alright, so I pretty much have everything set up, as you can see. Have the MacBook over here, I have the monitor, and I have the iPad as well. Then I got my coffee, phone. Still not my phone yet. It's coming. Don't you worry. I have the pad to where I can charge all my stuff. I don't know if I'm happy with this. Can't really see it, but this is where the charging cables come out of. I don't know if I like all this stuff coming out, but you know, I'm gonna let it ride for a little bit and see how it works. Keyboard I really like, but yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this. Pretty much just an unboxing, a setup, and overall, you know, like I said in the beginning, a fresh start. You know, this is the start of the channel, and from here on out, man, it's gonna be me, and you're gonna see a lot of me. I'm gonna try, and I'm going to film and document this whole journey, this whole process, because there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on still with 777. I have a lot in the pipeline. I have things I'm working on. I have clients that I am working with and also trying to get with. So I have a meeting today with a clothing brand that could be really good for the clothing brand itself and also me, because it would put another retained client on the roster. So I will probably film that. I was thinking about it, and I probably need. In terms of what your budget looks like, when I first talked to you and saw the brand, and I knew how great this brand could be. About $2,000 a month. Yeah, everything you get from me will be finished. This is what you expect. This is how you want it to look. All that kind of stuff. And it'll just flow once we start working together. Yeah, I mean, I'm excited for it. I think it's gonna be good. Whenever you come out the gate, people are like, bro, where'd you come from? Come on now. You're there. That's what I'm talking about. Talking about, son.